How to completely uninstall Valorant. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about completely uninstalling the Valorant application from your device. So now let's get started. First of all, go ahead and tap on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of the screen, that is the start button. Then simply search for add or remove programs. Open it. Now from the app and features page, you need to simply go ahead and search for Valorant over here. Go ahead and tap on that and then tap on uninstall. Tap on uninstall again to confirm. And finally, you can see that the Valorant has been successfully uninstalled from my device. Now go ahead and do the same for Riot client as well. Tap on uninstall again. Give administrative privileges. And the game will be successfully uninstalled from your device. Now another thing you can do is you can go ahead and simply open your File Explorer. From this page, go to your local disk. Now go to program files, and here if you see the Valorant folder, simply go ahead and right click on it and then tap on delete. Check this in your program data as well. If you see the Valorant folder, simply go ahead and delete it. Here you can see the folder of Riot games, so I'll just go ahead and delete it as well. And if you have the installer, you can also go ahead and delete it from your downloads. This is how you can completely uninstall Valorant from your device. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.